beer's cold? Okay. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is we're doing 1, 2, and 3. 1 is the nose, 2 is shoulder, and 3 is the hip. And so what I want to do with this horse is be able to manipulate 1, 2, and 3 separately. So manipulating 1 would be meaning that his nose is tipped over here to either 2 or 10 o'clock, depending on which side of the clock you're turning. So we're going to the right, so his nose should be tipped to 2 o'clock. The foundation, the start of 1, 2, and 3, the manipulation of 1, 2, and 3, and I should be able to keep his nose tipped over here to 2 o'clock, push with my inside leg and make my circle bigger. See now how he's coming to you? And then my outside leg should be able to close that circle in. Then as I come around here, I can take this a step farther and open the door with my inside leg. So inside leg opens, outside leg pushes him around, and that is the start of the turn. I should be able to close that leg and have him walk forward with his nose still at 2 o'clock. Now we're going to take that one step further. So now that we can make the circle bigger and smaller, bigger with our inside leg, smaller with our outside leg, I can even take and bring this rein up to his outside ear, up and out to his outside ear, and have him counter bend. And those are the basics, and those start at a walk, you move them into a trot, and then at a lope for your circle. So then I can switch directions and do it the other way. So I tip his nose the other way. I can walk this circle. I can make it bigger or smaller with my inside or outside leg. And then the further I want to push this, I can then open up that inside leg, keeping his nose still at 10 o'clock and opening the door for the spin. Closing my inside leg and to push him forward, still with his nose at 2 o'clock right there. See, he's doing his job. He's holding it there for himself. I'm on a loose rein. And then I can pick that rein up to the outside ear. The nose should stay at 10 o'clock, and now I'm counter bending. Then I'll go ahead and be a little bit more quiet, and I'll do this at a trot as well. Keeping that nose to 10 o'clock. My inside leg is going to make that circle bigger. I'm just going to push him out. There we go. And he went to the outside. I made that circle a little bit bigger, and then I let off with my inside leg. If I want to make that circle smaller, outside leg, outside leg, outside leg, all the way until the spin. Inside leg, off to a trot, and then the same thing the other way. His nose is over here at 2 o'clock. Inside leg to make that circle bigger. Outside leg to make it smaller all the way, and I can open up my inside leg, open up that door for the spin. Inside leg, push him off forward. Cluck him back off to a trot. And I want to see how soft that I can manipulate this horse's nose, shoulder, and hip. And the softer I can get this at a walk and a trot, the softer it'll be at a lope.